Good morning guys, in front of me is TECNO Camon 20 and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So once you want to force restart of your phone, all you have to do is to click on power button and hold it. Keep holding. And once you see TECNO mobile logo and also feel the vibration, you can release the button and within a couple of seconds you will be able to use your device again. And that's it, now you can unlock your phone and smoothly use it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.